This website is going to show you how you can stay safe whilst enjoying technology at home. After navigating through the website, you'll have a better understanding of what your digital footprint is and its effects. We'll also look at cyber safety, what it is and how to protect yourself online, and we'll have a focus on cyberbullying. Here we'll look at what it is exactly, what to do if it happens to you, and how to seek help. Let's start by looking at your digital footprint, which is a record of everything you do online. Now, this is important to know because your digital footprints form part of your digital identity, which is what people see or perceive you to be online. If you leave bad footprints behind, it can negatively affect you. Digital footprints are very hard to remove from the internet, so you need to be cautious of what you do and how you do it when online. So what can you do to ensure you're leaving good digital footprints behind? Firstly, stop and ask yourself if you should post it, like it, or share it online. Ask yourself, if I post this, how will others view me? If you think it's inappropriate, then don't post it. Remember to stop and think before you click. Sometimes people don't stop and think before they click. They intentionally post or share things online with the aim of causing harm or hurt towards another person. These people are not only leaving a negative digital footprint and creating a poor digital identity, they are also committing the awful act of cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is a virtual form of verbal bullying and is a lose-lose situation. It makes the bully look bad and it makes the victim feel bad. Like any form of bullying, there are things you can do if you're being cyberbullied. You can try ignoring them or you can block them. If it continues, save the evidence and ask for help. Don't be afraid to stand up to a bully. Their behaviour usually stops when someone speaks up. So how do you get good friends online? Should you accept every friend request that comes your way? Let's remember that the internet is not the real world. There are lots of fake news out there as well as fake people. These fake people can be dangerous. If you become their online friend, they can gain personal or private information about you, your family and friends, and they can put you in an uncomfortable situation. So how do you decide who is your friend online? It's really simple. If you're friends in the real world, it's okay to be friends online. Remember to stop and think before you click. Any online activity requires you to practice appropriate online behaviour and have knowledge of how to protect your personal information and the well-being of others. You can protect your personal information by being creative and using a nickname or screen name instead of using your real name, and making sure to keep all your personal details private. They're personal for a reason. You don't need to share them. When you're online, it's important to behave appropriately. Photos or videos you share may show information that people can use or decipher about you, your friends and family. Remember to stop and think before you click and seek permission from any person that is in the video or photo. If you change your mind about having it online or someone in that photo or video wants it removed, then do the right and kind thing and remove it. Remember, everything you post or share online leaves digital footprints and forms part of your digital identity. Now we've gone through what this website entails. Go off and explore the site, read and watch the links provided so you can complete the crossword and short multiple choice quiz at the end.